right from my phone's audio. I'm not going to be doing anything as far as like going through a filter or anything. No headphones, nothing. Just straight into the phone, kind of across the room so you can see the drum here a little bit. And before I do it, I want you guys to hear this drum. It's pretty much wide open, right? It's got a little bit of a ring to it. This is an Aquarian Focus X, and it's on a metal drum, a metal shell drum, so it's going to be a little ringing. And that's the purpose of this video, to demonstrate this. I got a new endorsement with a company called Snareweight, and man, if you haven't seen these things, they're amazing. It's such a simple little concept, but man, is it a great idea. So what they are, yeah, there we go. There's a Snareweight. Right there. These ones are in seafoam green, which I really like. I'm a Gretsch guy, and seafoam green is kind of Gretchy. What they are is this little strap of leather. You can see it there. And they have a magnetic clip there. So you can go like that, or you can do one side, or you can do both sides. Right? And what they do is, rather than having a gel or gaff tape or something like that, you take this Snareweight, and what you do, you just simply clip it right there to the rim of your drum. And they're really tight, right? So it's real tight on that rim, so it's not going anywhere. So now, if I want the weight off, the magnetic strip allows me to pull it up out of the way, as you can see there in the video. It's up out of the way, and I'm still wide open. Depending on what you're doing, that might be an acceptable sound, right? That might be the tone that you're going for, that kind of ringy sound. There's a video out right now of Steve Jordan just grooving away, and he's got this really wide open Gretsch wooden snare drum. It sounds so amazing. But let's say you want it dampened, okay? You got a session, maybe the song doesn't call for that open sound, what have you. Just kind of push that down on the head. Now, right, it takes that away. It takes away your overtone. Then the other thing that I like, let's say I want a little bit of muting, but not all of it, right? I don't want that full piece on there. Well, now I can bend this piece up with that magnetic strip. Here, I'll pull the drum up so you can see it. So right now, like that. Now, you got a little bit of a ring in there, right? But it's not fully dampened as it was a second ago. Now we go like this, fully dampen it, really kills that overtone. So the Snareweight, I'm telling you, it's a great product. I really am happy to be on the roster. I reached out to them, I don't know, a couple of months ago. They sponsored the last Deck Day event. They gave us some Snareweights to give away to our students, and they gave us one for each one of the members of Deck. Brought it home, put it on my snare drum, and right away I was like, oh, I'm sold. I've got to play this product. So I reached out to Matthew Strickland is the gentleman's name who owns Snareweight. You can reach out to him online, check him out. I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit for you so you can hear this thing. And in the comments below, I'm going to put a link to the Snareweight's website, so you can go down there, check it out, and check out their products. Everything that they sent me here in this package today are all the small ones for the snare drum, but they come in different sizes, so you can get them for your toms, you can get them for your floor tom, you can get them for your bass drum. They come in all sizes and a whole variety of colors, so you can match your kit or what have you. But yeah, it's a great product. So let me play a little bit here. Great product. So there you have it. Snareweights. Check them out. Links in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you need some coaching or you need some drum lessons, reach out to me at my website, bartrobley.com. Thanks for watching.